Today I'm going to be showing you guys my glowy summer makeup look. So let's get right into it. I'm first going to start by prepping my lips. This is the 4th Day Beauty lip mask. This is the little Avatar The Last Airbender one. The White Lotus on Guiro. If you know, you know. I'm just going to put that all over my lips. Get them nice and primed and succulent. This is a supergoop glow screen, and I'm just gonna put this, oh that's a lot baby, woo, all over my face. And this is gonna give me a nice glowy dewy base. We're glowing already. Beauty blender, and I'm gonna be using the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Concealer. I'm in the shade 41. Yeah. And we're not going to use a lot of this because in the summertime, your girl is sweating, okay? So I just like a light coverage, and I like to focus it like, I don't put it directly under my eyes, otherwise it's like a crease city. So my little trick that I do is I just like put it on the perimeters of my face, and then as I blend, you know, it does cover up my dark circles, but it's not like so much product that it just creases in 2 seconds. So I just take the leftover, and we're just gonna do a couple dots on her forehead here, on the nosy, blend it out. And I kind of like to go in like an up and down motion, just again, so it's not like so concentrated directly under my eye, and then it kind of diffuses nicely over my whole face. Face is done. Now we're gonna go in with my favorite part, blush. I'm using the ColourPop blush sticks in the shade Aloha. This is just like, you guys, this is a perfect cream blush. It gives your cheeks a nice flush, but it's also like, it brings like warmth to your face too. It's just, oh my god, it's just my favorite blush of all time. I kind of like, I put it on the apples of my cheeks, but I also like work it upwards. And I've just been soaking myself in this. I can take it over my nose, and I really think that this product makes a huge difference. I hope you can see it in the camera. I may not be able to. Next we're gonna move on to the brows. I'm not gonna go too much in detail. I did do a brow video, so I will link that if you want to see it. I'm just gonna kind of whiz by. Take my Fenty eyeshadow palette, and I'm gonna take this brown shade, and I'm just gonna put that right along my lash line, and then we're gonna take it on the waterline. Bite Beauty Upswing Mascara. If you didn't know, Bite is going out of business, so all of their products are 50% off. So take advantage of that while you can. And I'm just gonna add a couple layers of this. A Q-tip, and because I have like long lashes, whenever I put mascara on, it always like, you know, transfers to the back of my lid. So I just take a Q-tip and just kind of rub off any excess mascara. Yeah. That's it. And last but not least is setting spray. I usually either use the NYX Dewy Finish or MAC Fix Plus. I feel like these are both really good for like that hydrating dewy look. But today I'm just gonna do the NYX. This is the final look. It's giving, look at that, it's giving dew. It's giving glow, it's giving bronzed. It's giving summer. It's giving everything you could ever want. Yeah, that's the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this little makeup summer look. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.